Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For English Year 6, today we will learn Unit 7, The Sun and the Wind, Part 1. Let's talk. Mari bincang. The pupils are learning about the weather. Murid-murid sedang belajar mengenai cuaca. Okay. This is a conversation. Ini ialah perbualan. Okay. The teacher start the conversation. Okay, cikgu memulakan perbualan. Okay, how's the weather today? Bagaimana cuaca pada hari ini? Okay, the pupil is answer the questions. It's sunny, teacher. It's sunny, teacher. Ya, cerah, cikgu. Okay, sunny is cerah. Sunny day, hari yang cerah. Okay. Next conversation. Okay, perbualan yang seterusnya. What type of weather do you like? What type of weather do you like? Apa jenis cuaca yang kamu suka? Okay, the pupil answer, I like windy days. I can play in the garden. Saya suka hari yang berangin. Kerana apa? Kerana saya boleh bermain di taman. Okay. So, there are two weather in this conversation. Sunny, hari cerah. Sunny day, hari cerah. Windy days, hari berangin. Okay. Open your activity book. Now you open your activity book. Unit 7, The Sun and the Wind. Okay, listen and say. Okay, dengar dan jawab. Okay, listen and say. Dengar dan sebut. Okay, how is the weather today? How is the weather today? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? Okay, cuba tengok. Okay, bagaimana cuaca hari ini? How is the weather today? Bagaimana cuaca hari ini? Okay, today is. Okay, gambar pertama. Today is. Okay, gambar pertama ni apa? Ya, rainy day. Rainy day. Rainy day. Hujan. Hari hujan. Okay, tuliskan sini. Rainy. Okay, number 2. Today is what? Okay, murid boleh lihat pilihan jawapan di sini. Okay. And next, open your activity book. Page 50. 50. Okay, listen and say. Dengar dan sebut. Okay, kita murid sebut. Dengar apa yang cikgu bacakan dan murid ikut ya. Okay. When can we fly the kite? When can we fly the kite? The kite. Bila kita boleh bermain layang-layang? Okay, the answer is we can fly the kite when it is windy day. Kita boleh bermain layang-layang ketika hari berangin. Okay, number 3. Okay, this one is a question number 1. Answer number 2 and a question again. Okay, soalan semula. Okay, when do we feel warm? When do we feel warm? Bila kita akan rasa apa? Panas. Bila kita akan rasa panas macam apa, tak selesa je panas kan. Okay, bila? Jawapannya we can feel warm when it is apa jawapan dia? Bila kita murid jawab ya. Okay, murid teruskan jawapan number 4 and number 5. Okay. That's all for today. Till next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.